Okay, so we've weathered the rock. The rock has been broken down into several pieces, or even just two pieces. And now we're going to talk about erosion. So erosion is removing that weathered rock, that weathered material from one location to another. It doesn't matter how far it moves, as long as it moves, it's considered erosion. And these are usually done by what we call erosion agents. And the different erosion agents are wind, water, glaciers, and gravity. So here we can see on this particular landform, we can see the actual layers, and those were exposed by wind and gravity erosion. Here, this landform and this landform as well was eroded away by wind and gravity as well. And what happened was the more resistant minerals in the rock were left behind. So that's why you get those funky structures. And the last landform that we have here, this is the mountains in Montana. That U-shaped valley was once right here. This was once a glacier, and it melted and it formed this U-shaped valley. So those are some examples of erosion. And just like with weathering, it can occur at different rates based on whether it has water flowing, and how quickly that water is flowing, weather. So if there's strong wind, like a tornado or a hurricane, that rock is going to move a lot more quicker than if it were just calm weather year-round. Topography, so if you're on a mountain compared to if you're on flat land, obviously in Colorado, we're going to see a lot more erosion going on because of the gravity and the steepness of the landforms around in Colorado compared to if we went to Illinois and it's a bunch of flat farmland. We're not going to see as much erosion. So let's go ahead. So now the rock is moving, and then once it stops moving or laying down and settling, that is called deposition. So deposition occurs everywhere. It occurs on the sides of the streets or of the highways where there's road cuts. We can see deposition occurring on the bottom of those road cuts. We can see it here at the sandbar, and we can see that, the sediment has settled in the middle of the river. And also that's the reason why we have beaches in coastal areas. So now that we've finished the video, talked about weathering, erosion, and deposition. So go ahead and write your 3-sentence summary, and I will see you guys tomorrow.